Okay, so I just started the machine back up after I ran the diagnostic tests, and here you can see what I was talking about earlier. The AC power adapter wattage and type cannot be determined. The battery may not charge. The system will adjust the performance to match the power available. So that's the third or fourth error I've come across on this system, and you can still see, even with the lights on, the LED variants. I like to call it the black and the white. You can see where the backlights are lit unevenly. That's it, folks. Alright, I'm going to be starting the computer now. Anyway, while it's running in the background, let's see. We're going to bring up the fingerprint reader suite. Now, this isn't a huge deal. I probably will barely use this, but the fact that it doesn't work really makes me a little upset. Just one more thing that's wrong with this laptop. To achieve the best results, quality is important. Lay your finger flat on the sensor. Move your finger perpendicular to the sensor. Do not swing your finger at the end of the movement. Alright. Position your finger to the center of the sensor to achieve the best contact. Start swiping your finger from the bend closest to the fingertip. Okay. And we've done this many times, over and over. We will see. Look down at my finger. If anybody sees that I'm doing this wrong, please say so. Oh, bad quality. This is what I've been getting. Okay, this is more like it. Bad quality. And that's what I get all the time. So we'll try it again.
There's a Lego for you. Guess what my mom wants me to buy? She wants me to buy one of those orange camo sweatshirts. She's like, you have to buy this.
Alright, let's do this again.
I thought it started Monday. It's Monday.
Alright. Yep. See? Abso-friggin-lutely. You guys are seeing this. I don't know. Maybe this is just dumb. Place it right by the bend. Pull back. Bad quality. Next try. Nice and slow. Nothing. Try it again. Bad quality. Okay, my wife's gonna try this out. She has smaller fingers, so we want to see if maybe it's just my big fat fingers. Doing it wrong.
Well, it says swipe it down.
Yeah, but you have to lay it flat. Here.
See,
Watch the.
We do practice one. You shouldn't have to practice. That's wrong.
Bad quality. Lay your finger flat and roll it, and just go like this. Watch. Right about there.
Okay.
And just roll it across.
You push down so that your finger like hits it.
It just says slide it across. It should read it.
Okay, well that's not working.
I know. That's the whole point. It's not working.
Bad quality.
Bad quality.
Bad quality. Bad quality.
You're going a little too far up though.
Okay.
Go to replay video.
Gosh.
All samples are different. There's a tutorial. See that? The correct way.
How the frick is that any different than the way I was doing it? I wasn't going like this.
For everyone, you can see that my wife's getting severely frustrated with this laptop already. She's only seen it for about 10 minutes. Alright, so we saw the tutorial. Now let's close that.
How many ways
Try-
are there to slide
try
your
it one
fingers
more
flat
time.
over a frickin' thing? Fingers flat. Over the top. Bad quality.
There's got to be something wrong with the sensor.
Let's try this again. Flat. Okay, flat over the top. Bad quality.
Bad quality.
Again. Bad quality.
One more time.
For the cheap seats. Bad quality. Alright, let's try this again in the wrong way that they told us not to do it and see if that works. How about this? Ready? Okay, that's bad quality too. So is that. Clearly so is that. And so is that. So, no matter what way you do it,
Try rubbing it back and forth. Too skewed.
Nothing works.
So I'm not making this up then. There. The camera doesn't lie, folks. It's happened. It's for real.
Screw that. It's broken.
That was the final thing I wanted to show everyone with the problems I was having with my new Dell. There you have it. I think these two words sum up this laptop.
Bad quality.
Bad quality. As my good friend Matt said, should have bought a Mac. So, alright. Well, thank you for watching.